Hey, what's up guys, it's Weston here, and we have 3D printed wheels from Brain 3D, and pretty sick. Rainbow colored. It took 8 hours just to do one of the pieces, but he did it all at the same time, so it took 8 hours to finish all of this, and that's a lot, but this is awesome. But we're gonna go try to ride it, so let's see if we can do it.
Honestly, I'm just sick of them not taking me serious.
So what do you think? You made a backflip it?
Maybe. We'll find out.
I'm gonna do the dirt?
Yeah, let's go ahead and do the dirt, and then we'll go ahead and do, and then we're gonna do the whatever you want to call it, the airbag. Here we go. Good.
Feel anything like a tire would?
Yeah.
How'd it feel?
Good. I think it felt probably slow because the trail was running slow because we haven't worked on it in a bit.
Yeah.
It's probably all wet, but it's good. I think we're gonna try that in a second.
What's that?
The conveyor. But I'm gonna do a run up to it and see if if we're gonna be able to make it onto it. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the drop just to try it, and then we'll do the on. That's good. Let's do the on now. Ready?
Yeah, actually no damage at all, so. And look at that. That's cool. All right, I get the drone.
Hey. I don't know. I guess let's go ahead and hit it again. And then we'll find out. What do you think? Woo! It is flippable. All right, let's go with the airbag now. Drop. I did it. I'm gonna flip it and then we're gonna do a bar.
Okay.
Yeah. I have ones like, feels like it's coming off. Or it's just me.
What's wrong?
Oh, here it is. I think it felt like one was coming off. I felt like a bump. Or it was in the front. No. Okay, then it's just me.